Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Lawrence Michael, owner-operator of RMR, that's Remediation, Maintenance, and Restoration. Just doing a quick video. This is the start of an asbestos abatement project. A while ago, I did another video at this same location. What this is a senior living facility. It's pretty old. Those of you that have watched my previous videos or seen any of my keynote speaker things at different networking groups or things like that know that any house built before, or building, not only a house, any building built before 1978 is the threshold. Anything before 1978 that hasn't been previously renovated is likely to contain asbestos containing materials and then possibly lead paint. So 1978 is the cutoff. This building was made well before 1978. So the situation at this building is there are multiple apartments for seniors that live here. Well, they're tearing down a wall that separates two different apartments to make it one larger apartment area. So when they tear that wall down, there's asbestos insulation as well as asbestos containing joint compound on that drywall that separates the two apartments. So we have to come in, build our containment, establish negative air pressure, decon chambers, and then we can actually demo the wall that separates the two apartments, decon everything, and then once we're done in both apartments, the contractor that's rebuilding the apartment can come back in, put up a new wall with a door, or set up, finish the open doorway or finish the open walkway through the apartment, however they're going to set it up to make the two apartments into one large apartment. So just wanted to show what we had going on. Like I said, we've done this project before at this building. We'll be doing it a number of times in the future because all the way down the hallway is the same thing. It's all pre-1978. They're converting all of the smaller apartment areas into larger apartment areas. So instead of two, it's just one. So we already have our containment set up. So it goes around this wall here. We have our caution tape, warning signage. We still have to do our decon chamber out here, but none of the work has started yet. It takes a long time to set up all the containment, decon chamber, establish negative air pressure, especially doing it twice because we're doing it in both apartments, because once we take this wall down, now that becomes one large space. So we have to build the containment, decon chamber, negative air pressure on both sides in both apartments before we can even knock the wall down in preparation for it being one larger area. So no work has started yet, so we can go in here and check it out. So inside our containment, we have our negative air machine, so our HEPA air scrubber ducted out the window to create our negative pressure. This is the wall here that we'll be tearing down. So we have to take the baseboards off, take all the outlet covers off, things like that, TV down. And then we'll just demo this entire wall, remove all the drywall, insulation, HEPA vacuum, sanitize, so it'll decontaminate this entire room. And then once that's done, we'll do the same thing on the other side of the wall, which is the next apartment over. Do the same exact thing, decontaminate the both the entire apartment areas. And then, like I said, we're done, and a contractor can follow behind us and rebuild it. So if anybody has any indoor air quality issues, any homes that are built or offices that are built before 1978, definitely give us a call. We offer free visual inspection, so it doesn't cost you guys any money for us to come out, see if you have any indoor air quality issues, mold, lead, asbestos, silica dust, things like that. If anybody wants to see any different kinds of indoor air quality type videos, definitely put them down in the comments. Let me know. I read all the comments and I'll be happy to make those videos for you. So as always, I appreciate everybody's time. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.